when they try to do this exercise, double leg kicks, it becomes complicated and uncomfortable. So from here, I'm going to skip rockets for now, but we may come back to it. From here, we're going to go into mini swan. And what I'd like for everyone to do is bring their arms forward to a Y position. The Y position is going to feel much more comfortable for our students. And then think of rotating your armpits forward, like you're making a big sweat print with your armpits on the floor. We'll start with the mini swan. We bring the head to the level first. And then we start to look away and up the wall. And as we do that, that brings us up into our mini swan. And then we go into the Sphinx, which is bringing the elbows down to the floor, but thinking of keeping the top of the breastbone lifted and light. And then we go back up. And then we slide down and away. Two more like this. Head comes to the level, then we start to look up the wall as we lift. And you'll notice I haven't given any glute instructions. I've not said do any kicking with the feet because I don't want their focus to be there yet. Come back down. Let's do one more. Lengthen up in your mini swan, hold. Bring the elbows down into your Sphinx, thinking of the gaze staying up. Press up, and we slide back down. Now the hands are going to come behind you here. I might be out of order. Hold on, give me one quick second. I always get these two out of order. No, we're good. Keep the hands, stack the hands under the forehead for now, for hamstring curls. And what I'd like to address about the hamstring curls is, we know some people have knees stuck, right? Grinding in the knees, tight IT bands. They don't like hamstring curls here, especially when they're doing them in double leg kicks where they're kicking. So use this time to make it more of a subtle action. Hamstring curls, you can have them do them quick, you can have them do them slowly, you can have them extend and curl and extend, but make this about the tracking of the leg and the low back, and the pelvic neutral. So if in order to curl my hamstring and kick, my knee is opening or my heel is falling out, I am going to need to work on clarifying this movement before I can get into the full action of double leg kicks. The other thing, I'm doing this up at the level because this feels better for me. And for some people, when you take their face off of the floor, it makes it easier for them to kick their legs. I can't really explain it other than proprioception, but bringing them up here for those kicks may be helpful. Lastly, scratch your tail. So one of the trickiest parts of this exercise is the hand and arm situation, right? So it's not just that the hands are behind the back, it is that the elbows are down. And when we complete a repetition, we return to this place with the elbows down. So scratch the tail is my way of getting them to understand that as they reach, they're going to slide their thumbs down along their tail and lift them up. And then they bring the arms back down, drag them along the tail, and come back down. So if they can hold their hands together, they're going to try to press the heel of the hands together